You're going to come join in? Perfect. Perfect. My name's Sue, for those that don't know me, and as well as being a bit of a techie, geeky, everything, Tabular Editor, Power BI, etc., I'm also a marathon runner. I also practice yoga, and I go swimming in the sea in the UK all year round, and I have a dog and I walk. And so some of the things that have helped me, and I've done the Wim Hof, getting in the ice bath, is actually breathing. And how long can we go without eating, roughly? Do you reckon? How many days without eating? 30? Yeah, we can go days, can't we? How long can we go without drinking? Yeah, about 3 days. How long can we go without breathing? Yeah, no time, minutes. And so we all take it for granted that we can breathe, because we can breathe, because we're alive. But actually, when we breathe, that controls our nervous system. So there are two ways that we can breathe. We have fight or flight, and we have rest and digest. So if we take getting into the sea, so any of you that are in the UK, if you get into the sea in the winter, we're talking like 8 degrees centigrade, you get in and your whole body goes, I'm going to die. So it hits that fight and flight. I'm going to die. What am I going to do? I've got to get out. But if you breathe, then it's hitting your parasympathetic nervous system, which is your rest and digest. So it's the way that your body responds to stress. So any of you that are presenting, or you're going through a stressful situation, anything like that, your body goes, big gulp in, and it's in fight and flight. And if you can master breathing techniques, it takes you into rest and digest, which is actually chill, and I can cope with this. So if you can practice, then that helps you with stress. So I've got a couple of techniques that I thought we could try together if you're up for it. And it'll help with insomnia, it'll help with stress, and it'll just help you, hopefully, if it just helps you with one stressful situation and you remember, then it's worth it. So we're good? We're good. So we're going to start off with a 4-4-4 rhythm. So we're going to breathe in for 4, we're going to hold for 4, we're going to breathe out for 4, and then we're going to hold for 4. So it's like a 4 rhythm of 4. So four counts. So if I count you in, and we'll do it together, and then I'll let you do a couple on your own, and then you'll see how you feel. So if we're ready, so we're going to breathe in for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Out. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. In. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Out. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. And on your own, just for a couple of times, just on your own. And close your eyes, just have a couple of goes on your own. So when you get to the last cycle, how are you feeling? Any changes? Any changes? Anyone feeling a bit more chilled? I feel a bit more chilled, a bit more relaxed, yeah? So that's just a nice, if you're coming up to something and you're feeling a bit like, you can just do that, and it takes 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and it just zones you down. Yeah, box breathing. Absolutely, box breathing. Another one, I've had quite a few stressful things happen the last couple of weeks. So if you wake up in the night, this is a really nice one if you wake up in the night to help you get back to sleep. So what we're going to do is we're going to breathe in for 3 and then out for 6. Has anyone got dogs? A dog. So I've got a dog, and when my dog wants to go to sleep, he does a massive, great big breathe out, which just relaxes him. So what we're trying to do is breathe out for longer than we're breathing in. So we're going to start off and we're going to breathe out for breathe up for 3, down for 6. And I'll count you like we did the first time. I'll count you for 2 or 3 cycles, then have a couple of cycles on your own. Okay? So we breathe in, 2, 3, out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In, 2, 3, out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more. In, 2, 3, out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and just a couple of times on your own. And then your last one finish. How are we feeling?
Falling asleep.
You're falling asleep? Yeah. It's a really, if you wake up in the night and you can't sleep, then it's a nice one to do. And it stops your brain twirling because it's busy counting. So it just helps your brain go back to sleep. And then I'll do one more and then we'll stop. So the next one is, and again, this is like another one for breathing, but depending on how you feel and as you get more used to it, you can breathe in for 3, hold for 7, and then breathe out for 8. So what we're doing is we're getting our breath working. So we'll try this one a couple of times. And these are just, find what works for you and you can use it at home. So we're going to breathe in for 3, hold for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then out for 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we'll do another one. In, 2, 3, hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, out for 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And just have a couple of goes on your own. Okay. And you could just practice this on your own, but you can already feel, I mean, I'm about as black and white as they come, with coding and everything, but you can feel around here that sort of it just feels a bit more chilled. So if you're going to stand and do a presentation or you're going to do something like that, what I do when I deliver, as I breathe in, I look around the room, I smile at people, so if they think that I'm chilled, they chill. Then I breathe out. And it's about just holding that moment, taking control of that moment and saying, I've got you. You're in my space now. I'm going to present to you and I've got it. I'm in control. I'm smiling. I'm happy. They rest and relax and you just carry on. So that's it really. So I hope that helps you if you are struggling with insomnia or you have a stressful situation, and it just helps you just cope with a little bit of mindfulness. So thank you. Enjoy. So we do yoga. Yeah. Namaste.